this video, I'll show you how you can boost your FPS in League of Legends. Now, first step is you're going to come to your desktop, right click on it and go to NVIDIA Control Panel. Wait for it to open up and then I'll show you some settings. Now in here, what you want to do is come to Manage 3D Settings and let it load for a little bit. And once you're in here, you're going to scroll down, down, down until you find Power Management Mode. Choose Prefer Maximum Performance. Scroll down again. Find Texture Filtering Quality and choose High Performance. Now you can also, those are the two most important, but you can also look at my other settings and copy them if you want. Now the other step is we're going to go into League of Legends and I'll show you the settings from in there. Now that you're in League of Legends, what you want to do is press escape and come into video. Now from in here you can copy my settings if you want. I just chose everything for maximum performance. So what I did was I chose my resolution. This is my resolution. And I chose borderless. You can do full screen as well. I do not recommend windowed. From in here, graphics, I just set everything to low. As you can see, increases performance. And for the frame, the FPS cap, I just chose 144. Keep in mind, there's no reason to have it uncapped. 144 or 200 should be fine for everyone. So that's why I keep it on this. If you have it uncapped, it might stutter sometimes. And to be honest, you don't really need more than 144 if your screen is 144. So these are the settings I'm using. Now, if you do this combined with the NVIDIA settings, you should boost your FPS. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.